Here is a rather unusual Black&Decker heater. This is an older model, old enough to have their older logo before they went to the newer mathematical logo. And I imagine at some point this would have had a handle here. You can see there's remnants of something having been broken off of there, and it's also very difficult to carry around at this point. It has a temperature readout up here at the top, which is digital, and curiously enough it still works even though it's not plugged in. And my other thermometer in here is reading 64, and this was on the floor, so I tend to believe that this is probably pretty accurate. We have fan settings and then low, medium, and high, which they're basing off of the room size. And then we have a thermostat here which goes from hot to frost watch, so that probably keeps it somewhere just above freezing, maybe 40 degrees or so. Hear that click on and off. It does have a filter. Oh, I can't quite get it out. Something pointer to get it out of there. You can see the tab to pull it out is kind of pushed in too far. So see if I can push this back out a little bit. I don't think I'm making any progress. Oh, maybe I am. There we go. Not quite. Now this does not want to come out of there. And it's like a very, almost worthlessly thin filter, although you can see it did capture some dust. And it looks like it has a locked up fan. It's not moving. Hopefully the bearings aren't locked on that fan, I don't know. It looks like it's, I can hardly even see it. Looks like it may be a one of those metal muffin fan kind of things. Anyways, I'll put this back on for now. And that's how it's supposed to sit with that block right there, so it doesn't go in too far. Also has a ground fault interrupting plug, fire shield with shock shield with fire protection inside the cord and shock protection. Okay, that's really believable. Well, let's plug it in and see how it works. See if this works. That it does. And that draws 4 watts to make that pop out for some reason. Oh geez, something just fell over here. Okay, anyways. I believe this is rated for, there's no reason to guess, I can just check. Yeah, it's rated for 1500 watts. I don't think I showed the information here. Yep, 1500 watts. Unfortunately made in China. Applica Consumer Products Incorporated. The address is relatively close to here. Looks like it has a... If that's supposed to be a safety switch, I don't know how in the world that would work, because I think it's below It may just barely be below the surface there. I don't hear it clicking. It may need to be on a hard surface. Well, let's just see if it works first. So we'll start with the fan. And it says power. The caution light is not on, so nothing dangerous has happened yet. Okay, it's not running. Yeah, this switch is not pressing down. So I gotta put something under there to make it press. There we go. Well, the fan's not locked, it is running. And it's pushing some air through there, but not very much. Not very much at all. Probably needs to be cleaned. Alright, let's go to it's very out of balance. It's shaking like there's no tomorrow. Alright, let's go to small room. Still don't have a caution indicator. It's getting a little bit warm. I don't know when the caution indicator is supposed to come on. That's already pretty hot, even just on the low setting. Actually, that's getting really hot. Medium. Doesn't seem to have made much of any difference. High, or large room. That's definitely getting hotter now. That's really hot. Okay, and the thermostat just cut off. And this temperature gauge here, I don't know if this is what it uses, but this is going up to 67. And the room temperature is now going up 5 degrees over the course of 2 minutes of it running, so that's not very accurate at all. So at full power, it's taken 1,382 watts. Medium, it's taken 971.72. And a low, it's taken 800. Oh, whoa, it's going way down. 527, 506, 470, about 470. So actually, there is a pretty good difference between all the speeds. And the fan draws 20 watts. Alright, so that works. I don't know how accurate the thermostat really is, but it does work, and certainly kind of an interesting design. I'm not sure what the deal is with this switch. I think that may be designed faultily, but we can easily fix that just by pushing or putting something on the tip of that so it makes more contact. Because even on a flat surface like this, I don't hear it click in, so I don't know, that's just not made right. Anyways, that's that. We'll do a servicing video on this at some point.